Hello everyone, I'm here again with a video of Important Days of April Part 2. Let's proceed. In this video, I'm going to discuss important days of April from 16th to 30th April. First is 17th April, World Hemophilia Day, 18th April, World Heritage Day, 21st April, Civil Services Day, 21st April, again World's Creativity and Innovation Day, 22nd April, Earth Day, 23rd April, World Book and Copyright Day, 24th April, National Panchayati Day, 25th April, World Malaria Day, 26th April, World Intellectual Property Day, 28th April, World Day for Safety and Health at Work, 28th April again International Commemoration Day for Dead and Injured Workers. 30th April International Judge Day. First is 17th April. It is World Hemophilia Day. It aims for getting awareness for hemophilia and other bleeding disorders. It came into force in the year 1989 to give honor to Frank Scannell-Berde, who is the founder of World Federation of Hemophilia. He established the World Federation of Hemophilia WFH in the year 1963 with a vision to improve the treatment and care for this disorder across the world through this organization. Now, in 1969, the WFH was acknowledged by WHO. Now, the theme for 2020 is Get Positive Involved Virtually and Stay Safe. Due to the pandemic coronavirus, the WFH has urged everyone to stay home and connect through the internet. Second is 18th April, that is World Heritage Day. It aims for preservation the human heritage and recognize the efforts of all the relevant organizations in the field. This day is also known as the International Day for Monuments and Sites. It was created on 18 April 1982 by ICOMOS, International Council for Monuments and Sites. On 18th April 1982, the occasion of a symposium organized by ICOMOS in Tunisia, the holdings of the International Day for Monuments and Sites to be celebrated simultaneously throughout the world was suggested and later on approved at the 22nd UNESCO General Conference in 1983. Now, the theme for 2020 is Shared Cultures, Shared Heritage, Shared Responsibility. Next is on 21st April, that is Civil Services Day. This day celebrated all the civil servants who dedicated their lives to the cause of citizen. It aims at renewing their commitments to the public service and excellence in work. The first celebration of Civil Services Day was held on April 21st, 2006 at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. This date is chosen to commemorate the day when first Home Minister of Independent India Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel addressed the probationers of Administrative Services Officers in 1947 at Metcalfe House, Delhi. He referred to civil servants as the steel frame of India. On this day, the Prime Minister's awards for excellence in public administrations are also given. Now next is on 21st April, World Creativity and Innovation Day. It inspires and enables others to live a more creative life. It started in 2018. Now something about its history. It was founded on 25th May 2001 in Toronto, Canada. In 2006, this will become week-long celebrations from 15 to 21 April from the birthday of Leonardo da Vinci. In 2017, it was became UN Day of International Importance. Now, fifth is on 22nd April. It is Mother Earth Day. It aims to protect our Mother Earth from pollution, deforestation, man made disasters, etc. It was started in 1970. 1970 in US. Now, something about its history. On April 22nd, 1970, 20 million Americans, 10% of the US population at the time, took to the street, college campuses, and hundreds of sites to protest environmental ignorance and demand a new way forward for our planet. The first Earth Day is now recognized as the planet's largest civic event. The theme for Earth Day 2020 is climate action. 6th is 23rd April, World Book and Copyright Day. It is commonly known as World Book Day. It aims to honor authors, books worldwide to promote the art of reading. It was started in 1995 when UNESCO decided that the World Book Day and Copyright Day would be celebrated on 23rd April, as the date is also the anniversary of the death of William Shakespeare and the birth or death of several other prominent authors. Now, the theme about this for 2020 is, with the slogan of KL Baka Caring Through Reading, the program focuses on four themes: reading in all its forms, development of the book industry infrastructure, inclusiveness and digital accessibility, and empowerment of children through reading. Kuala Lumpur is the UNESCO's World Book Capital for 2020. Now, on 24th April, it is National Panchayati Day or National Panchayati Raj Day. As we all know, our nation, India, is largest democracy in the world. So, this Panchayati Raj system decentralize the power in hands of different mans at different stages. So, this day celebrates the decentralization of the power. It was started in 2010. 2010 में ये पहली बार मनाया गया था. Now about the history. The 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992 came into the force from 24th April 1993. The Prime Minister of that time, Manmohan Singh, declared the first National Panchayati Raj Day on 24th April 2010. Every year on this National Panchayati Raj Day, Union Minister of Panchayati Raj organizes national conference and award best performing Gram Panchayats with Rashtriya Gaurav Gram Sabha Puraskar and many more awards. On this occasion, our PM Narendra Modi launched a unified e-Gram Swaraj portal and a mobile app this year. Now, on 25th April, it is World Malaria Day. What is the aim of this day? It is for taking urgent action in control of this deadly disease. It was established in May 2007 by the 60th session of WHO. Now about malaria. Malaria is a life-threatening disease which is caused by the bite of infected mosquitoes. Theme for 2020 is Zero Malaria Starts With Me. On 26th April, it is World Intellectual Property Day. This day is celebrated to learn about the role that intellectual property rights play in encouraging innovation and creativity. It was started when WIPO decided in 2000 to designate an annual World Intellectual Property Day to address the perceived gap between IP as a business or legal and its relevance to people's lives. History. April 26th was chosen as the date upon which the convention established WIPO first entered into the force in 1970. Theme for 2020 is Innovate for a Green Future. Next is on 28th April, it is World Day for Safety and Health at Work. It aims to focus international attention on the magnitude of the problem and to promote health work culture so that several work related deaths and injuries can be reduced. It was started by International Labour Organization in 2003. About history, in 2003, the ILO became involved in the April 28 campaign upon the request from the trade union movement. Theme for 2020 is Stop the Pandemic. Safety and health at work can save lives. It is on 28th April, International Commemoration Day for Dead and Injured Workers. Its purpose is to honor the memory of victims of occupational accidents and diseases by organized worldwide mobilization and awareness campaigns on this day. It was started on 28th April since 1996 when International Trade Union Movement organized for injured and dead workers. On 30th April, that is today, Happy Jazz Day, to highlight jazz and its diplomatic role of uniting people all over the world. It was started on April 30, 2012. The idea came from jazz pianist and UNESCO Goodwill Ambassador Herbie Hancock. In November 2011, the UNESCO officially designated April 30 as International Jazz Day. Cape Town, South Africa has been designated the global host city for 2020.